How to use ChatGPT to personalize marketing materials. ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for personalizing marketing materials. Here are some steps you can take. 1. Identify your target audience. Before you start personalizing your marketing materials, you need to know who you are targeting. Use customer data, demographics, and other insights to create customer personas or segments that represent your target audience. 2. Craft marketing messages. Write a set of marketing messages that align with the needs, interests, and pain points of your target audience. These messages should be tailored to the specific personas or segments you identified in step 1. 3. Train ChatGPT on your marketing messages. Use ChatGPT to train a language model on your marketing messages. This will allow the AI to learn your messaging and generate new content that is consistent with your brand and messaging. 4. Use ChatGPT to personalize marketing materials. Once you have trained ChatGPT on your marketing messages, you can use the AI to personalize marketing materials for individual customers. For example, you can use ChatGPT to generate personalized email subject lines or social media messages that are specific to each customer's interests and needs. 5. Test and optimize. Monitor the effectiveness of your personalized marketing materials and continue to refine your approach. Use A/B testing and other analytics tools to measure engagement and conversion rates, and adjust your messaging and targeting accordingly. It's worth noting that while ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for personalizing marketing materials, it is important to use it in conjunction with human insight and oversight. Always review the content generated by the AI before using it in your marketing materials, and be sure to follow ethical guidelines for AI-generated content. Here are some reputable sources that provide additional information on using ChatGPT for personalized marketing. How AI is personalizing marketing and enhancing customer experiences by Forbes. This article discusses how AI, including language models like ChatGPT, can be used to personalize marketing and improve customer experiences. How to personalize marketing with AI and chatbots by Smart Insights. This blog post provides a step-by-step guide to using AI and chatbots to personalize marketing messages, including tips on training language models like ChatGPT. A Marketer's Guide to AI-Powered Personalization by Martech Today. This article provides an overview of how AI can be used for personalized marketing, including case studies and best practices. AI and Personalization, The Future of Customer Experience by Salesforce. This ebook discusses how AI can be used to personalize marketing and improve customer experiences, including examples of how companies are using AI-powered personalization today. I hope these sources are helpful for you.